guys, so we just did a bar class, correct? Bar class, and it was so hot in there. I'm sweating so bad. I look gross. This class was awesome, and Dustin, thank you for helping me not faint. And yeah. Guys, not today. Hey guys, so I'm having lunch. I'm having my favorite salad from Empire Baking, and it's called Nicoy's salad. I'm saying it wrong for sure, but this is my favorite salad in the world ever, and you guys have to try it. You guys should definitely go try it. There's a location in the Inwood Shopping Center. It's next to Flower Child, so I'm sure you guys know. Hey, good morning. I just got to work. It's gonna be raining today, so I turned on my lamps, and because I'm trying to make it like be pretty cozy in here, and I'm gonna turn on the coffee maker so it can smell like coffee. But yeah, so. Having lunch with my mom. She doesn't want to be taped, but we're having food, salad, sandwich. Yeah. Hey guys, so I came grocery shopping and I'm going to a different grocery store to get some bigger items, and it's so cold I forgot my jacket, so yeah. Hello, so I'm showing you guys my fridge. I have almond milk, avocado, hippie bread, lettuce, broccoli, and hummus. Some more lettuce, bok choy, cabbage, yellow zucchini, celery, red leaf lettuce, carrots and spinach, and on the bottom I have apples, cucumber, zucchini, bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, and green bell peppers on the side. And I have tomatoes, lemons, avocados, and this is my favorite mustard and ketchup from Whataburger that you can find at Central Market. My favorite mushrooms.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just something chicken. You said how much pricing? Four.
Guys, I'm having brunch with my friend Maria, and we're having dumplings. Yeah, dumplings and kimchi, and we're waiting for the noodles. So yeah. Facebook. Yep. I bought some chopsticks. Hey guys, I got home a little bit ago. I had lunch with one of my friends from elementary school. I saw her maybe like a year ago and we had been planning to hang out and it never happened until today. So I'm having a little snack right now. I'm having a banana with almond butter, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Sorry, I was trying to like show you guys, but it was like sliding down. It looks a little messy, but it's really good. I didn't do much during this vlog. Like I told you guys, I'm pretty busy with other things and I'm trying to vlog, but it's been a little hard, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was kind of all over the place, but until next time.